MITRE Atlas. As artificial intelligence becomes increasingly prevalent in business, an important question arises. How do we ensure these new technologies are developed and used securely? At MITRE, their researchers recognize that without a framework for anticipating real threats to AI systems, both companies and the public could face significant risks. To address this challenge, they created the Adversarial Threat Landscape for Artificial Intelligence, ATLAS. MITRE Atlas is a knowledge base of adversary tactics, techniques, and case studies for machine learning (ML) systems. It is based on real-world observations, demonstrations from ML red teams and security groups, and the state of the possible from academic research. In short, this framework provides explanations of potential vulnerabilities, attack vectors, and mitigation strategies related to AI and machine learning. Let's now explore some of the key AI risks identified in MITRE Atlas and how the framework recommends to address them. Data poisoning attacks. MITRE Atlas documents data poisoning techniques like injecting incorrectly labeled examples. Organizations could use Atlas to understand these methods, then implement checks like validating labels, detecting outlier additions, modifications to training data. Model extraction. Atlas profiles techniques like membership inference attacks and model inversion. Developers could add defenses suggested by MITRE, such as differentially private modeling or saturating key outputs to fool extraction attempts. Adversarial examples. By understanding how adversarial perturbations are crafted, as explained in Atlas, AI systems can be made more robust. For example, incorporating adversarial training using example attack patterns from Atlas. Backdoor attacks. Atlas details common backdoor trigger, payload combinations. Monitoring models for unexpected activations linked to specific triggers could detect backdoors inserted using tactics described in the framework. Unauthorized access. The MITRE, initial access, and execution tactics cover techniques like API abuses. AI services could reference Atlas to identify and plug access vectors before being exploited in real attacks. Model stealing. The model stealing techniques documented help prioritize defenses. Controls like regularly checking for parameter or architectural changes could mitigate theft of proprietary models as detailed in Atlas. By implementing detection and prevention strategies informed by adversary methods objectively documented in Atlas, organizations gain insight needed to build, deploy and maintain more secure AI through a proactive, threat-informed approach. Ultimately, addressing AI risks now helps ensure these powerful technologies benefit society responsibly well into the future. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.